This Keller Williams Realty Johnson County property video is presented by Kimble. Perfect country feel yet close to community, shopping and schools. Beautiful 1 acre with almost 1,900 square feet under roof. The property features an 800 square foot workshop with bathroom, electric and water. Great floor plan and lots of potential for the buyer with space in mind. Minor cosmetic improvements may be preferred. Buyer will need a new survey, but one for boundary purposes is online. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimble at 817-688-9372.